We are making a lovely dish that is simple and easy to cook. Steamed fish with garlic and soy sauce recipe. It's only take 20 minutes for 3 to 4 serving. The ingredients are 550 grams of tilapia fish, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 inches nub of ginger sliced, and I will be using 3/4 cups of water. First, marinate the fish with salt. Sprinkle the salt on the fish and in the cuts. Rub the salt evenly, spread it on the fish. Repeat for the other side. Put slightly more salt in the fish stomach and rub it. Next, put in all the ginger slices in the fish stomach. This is to reduce the fishy smell while cooking. Alright, fish is ready. I'm going to steam it on the serving plate, so we don't need to transfer the fish when serving. This porcelain plate is heat resistant, but you can use any heat resistant serving plate. Let's steam it. I have prepared a steamer with hot water here. For steamed fish, I recommend to use the high heat, and the water must be vigorously boiling. Cover the lid and let it steam for 10 minutes. While waiting for the fish to steam, we can prepare the sauce. Switch on the heat, put all the water into the pan, add in the pepper, light soy sauce, garlic oil, and oyster sauce. Put in about 1 teaspoon of crispy garlic for the lovely fragrance. Set the rest aside for topping later. Now give it a mix and bring it to boil. When the mixture is boiling, continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Switch off the heat, pour it into the bowl and set it aside. Now the sauce is ready. Let's check on the fish. Okay, time is up. Open the lid. This fish is now about 85% cooked. While the fish is being steamed, it tends to release some liquid like this. Remove the fishy liquid from the plate. Carry up the plate and use the spatula to rest the fish to pour out all the fishy water. Switch on the heat. Pour all the soy sauce mixture onto the fish. Garnish with a little bit of parsley. Cover the lid and continue to steam for 5 more minutes. Alright, time is up. The steamed fish is ready. Let's open the lid. Oh wow, the smell is so good. Now we are removing the fish out from the steamer and placing it onto the dinner table. The top of the fish is quite dry and I am pouring some sauce over it. Next, sprinkle all the crispy fried garlic over the fish for the fragrance and texture. Put some chopped parsley or spring onion works well with this too. Alright, the delicious steamed fish for the family dinner is ready. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The fish is very soft and goes very well with the sauce. The crispy fried garlic adds the lovely fragrance and texture to the fish. Very tasty and flavorful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somtit. Thank you and bye-bye.